Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create a new section in our enterprise project structure in Primavera P6. Okay, so firstly, what is the enterprise project structure? The enterprise project structure is a global hierarchy of all projects across an organization. Think of it very simply as showing the projects across a business which has been separated into different sections. These sections may be departments, regions, or even countries. So what we're going to do in this video is create a new section called Training under Enterprise. So let's get to it. Okay, so the way we can add a new element in our EPS structure is we go to the top, we go to Enterprise, and then we go down to Enterprise Project Structure. Okay, so now we can see all of the elements in our EPS structure. What we're going to do is go to the top to Enterprise and then go across to the right hand side and click Add. We can now see at the bottom that a new one has been created. So we're going to rename this one and we're going to go to the EPS ID field and I'm going to call mine TRN. And I'm going to change the name to Training. Okay, so below that we can see our Responsible Manager field. This is where we can change the responsible manager and change it to a program manager or someone who's going to look after this project. But for this example, I'm going to leave it as is. On the right hand side, we can see 4 arrow buttons, which we can use to move the element up and down. I'm going to change mine and move it to the top for ease. Okay, so now it's at the top. I'm going to go up to the top and click Close. And there we have it. There's our new section called Training under Enterprise. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. That way you won't miss any tips and tricks when they come out in the future.